So good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Last time we did practice for this option, na? Layer style and this properties option. Layer style option.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to create a new page here. Okay, it's a new page. Going to press Alt and then scroll down the mouse. Okay, now create a new layer here. Use the selection tool. After creating a new layer, selection tool, select this area. ठीक है, इसको select किया. Then apply any color. Okay, इसको apply किया. Apply the color. Now press Ctrl D to remove the selection. Click here. Now press Ctrl T, T for telephone. Okay, Ctrl T for telephone. Then right click here, and then there's some option will come. Okay, when you right click over this, after press Ctrl T for telephone. When you right click here, so this option will come. So we have to select the option perspective. Which option? Perspective. Then select any one of the corner and do like this. Okay, and then press enter. Then press enter. Then you can press Ctrl T और इसको थोड़ा सा इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हो if you want. Yeah, it's okay, nice. Then press Ctrl J to copy the layer. Ctrl J to copy the layer.
J.
Okay, it's same na, both of the shape. Now I want to rotate it, so press Ctrl T. Okay, and I want to rotate it horizontally, okay, or vertically we can do. It's very easy, no need to rotate like this. ऐसा नहीं करना है.
Yes.
Just press Ctrl
Just
T.
select.
Press Ctrl T.
Mm.
Okay, listen properly. Ctrl T, then right click and then vertical. Okay, vertical. तो ये ऐसे हो जाएगा. फिर then use the down arrow key from the keyboard. Down arrow key from the keyboard to bring it down. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Then
For other side, we should have bigger one.
create a new layer here again. Okay, create a new layer. Again use the selection tool. Select like this. Okay, apply some color. Use some different color. Okay, now Ctrl D to remove the selection. Then press Ctrl T. Okay, Ctrl T, then right click and then again perspective. Okay, then select one corner and bring it like this. थोड़ा सा और कर सकते थे इसको. Ctrl T, right click,
Right click.
perspective. Yeah, it's okay, I think. तो zoom कर लेते ना. Ctrl T, right click, perspective. इसके बराबर कर देना, ठीक है. Okay, then fine. ठीक है इतना. Now I want one more like this. Can you tell me how is
Perspective.
it?
Copy.
How is it look like? Press Ctrl J
It
to
look
copy the
like
layer.
3D.
Ctrl J to copy the layer. Okay. Now press Ctrl T. Now I have to rotate it horizontally. So then right click, rotate horizontal. Does it look like room?
Yes, sir.
There's a wall. This is also wall. This is one more wall. There's a roof, and this is the floor. Okay. Create a new layer, and then bring it down, and fill some color here. We need some wall pictures. So right double click here, bring any of the picture. कौन सा picture लेके आए? Press Ctrl T to make the smaller this image. We want to paste here, okay? And do one thing, bring
Okay.
this layer on top, okay? Otherwise you
Directly.
cannot see.
Yes.
Okay, if you go back, so you cannot see the
Hmm.
image. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Control T. Now press Control T again, and then right click and then perspective. Which option? Perspective. Okay, and do like this. Does it look good?
Okay.
It's like
Yes, sir.
painting
Yes,
is
sir.
placed on the wall. Okay,
Yes, sir. Like a
It's
can do one
like
thing.
a room.
Yeah. So press Control and then click on this layer. You can select this, okay, by press Control and then click on this layer. Okay. There's some option. Okay, I will tell you this later on, not now. Okay, leave it. Now just click here on this option, layer style. Which option? Add layer style, then blending option. Okay, blending option, and then click on this option, bevel and emboss. Bevel and emboss. Okay, click OK. Right click, copy layer style. Click here and paste layer style. Can you see? There's some changes. Okay, it's like
layer
room,
style.
wall,
Yes.
like a 3D room. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now double
Yes,
click
sir.
here. We have one more image in our computer already saved in Adobe Photoshop folder. Door image. Okay, door. Duplicate. You can select this image, go to image, adjustment, variation, or do one thing, just wait a minute. Mode should be RGB. Okay, now image, adjustment and variation and changes. Going to copy this, huh? Control C copy, Control C, copy only this portion, okay?
Yes, sir.
Control C copy kiya. And now going to click here and now press Control V paste. Control V say
Paste.
paste kiya, okay? Now press Control T to make it smaller.
And perspective. After that,
Make more
perspective.
smaller. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Still it's not
So
still it's not look good. We have to one thing, your optional selection ka make zoom so you can see. Okay, now select only this door. Is it okay? Now press Control X
Yes,
to
sir.
cut. Control X to cut. Okay. इसको
Cut.
cut किया. Now press Control V to paste, but in a new layer. Create a new layer and then press Control V. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Control T. Control T. Okay. Control T. Right click and then perspective.
Wow, so nice.
Control T and make it little bit small like that. So it's like gate is open.
Yes, like open door.
Okay.
Mm. Wow.
Or right click and then you can do option like skew also. Which option? Skew.
Skew.
Just wait. Let me show you. कंट्रोल टी एंड इसको थोड़ा छोटा करके कंट्रोल टी और यहाँ से स्क्यू करके देखो. Like gate is open, something like that. But that was look good, na? Control T.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा छोटा करो
Yes, sir.
and then perspective. Okay, it's look nice. Then again you can make some pictures here also. You can bring some picture of fan from the Google. Okay, download it again, you can paste it here and you can decorate. It's like a room. You can bring some picture of beds or some table and you can bring and paste it here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now it's your homework today also. So you have to use these options, layer properties, use this right click and prescriptive, and then you have to use like this.